Good morning children. Welcome to today's video session. I hope that you watched the previous video. Do you children? So what we learned in that last class? What is the name of our first lesson children? Building with bricks. What we learned in that lesson? We learned about bricks. How are the bricks made? Where are the bricks made? And few. So what we are going to learn? Do you have any idea? Let's find out. Wow, what a beautiful picture. This is the picture of a flower garden. So children, do you identify which flowers are these are tulips. Okay children, how they arranged ma? They arranged according to their colors. Look at in the picture ma. First the pink tulips are there, then red, then yellow, then orange. Again they repeat the same sequences, color sequences: pink, red, all yellow and orange. So children, what I think, flowers are the one of the beautiful creation by nature. Don't you think so? So these beautiful flowers, if you pour in one place, okay, how it looks? Really it looks little bit clumsy nama. We spoil the beauty of these flowers. Instead of that one, if they arrange it like this one, so they are following a rule. What is the rule? About according to their colors they divide the flowers, and according to their colors they arrange it in rows and columns. So now how they looks ma? They appear very beautiful. It enhance the beauty, isn't it children? So not only this one, if you arrange anything in order, it enhance the beauty, isn't it children? So here the flowers are arranged in sequences, and they repeated that rule. In one rule they are following, according to their colors they are dividing, and they repeated that colors, the same colors they are repeating that rule. And we can predict what comes next. After orange, which color comes ma? Pink, then again red, then again yellow, and again orange. They are repeating that one. So which terms I am using here? One rule is there, the rule is repeating, and we can predict what comes next. So where we use these words children, I hope already you guess. Some of you definitely will guess this one. What topic today we are going to learn? We are going to learn about patterns. So a pattern is a series or sequence that repeats based on a rule, and the rule is set a way to calculate or solve a problem. We have different types of patterns, like pattern of shapes, pattern of numbers, and pattern of letters. So what are patterns children? They are based the series. When you observe the series, they are following one rule, and they are repeating that rule. The rule was using again and again. So by observing that one, we can solve the problem. If you understood that rule, you can easily solve that problem. So before going to example, we have to understand some concepts ma. So in mathematics, four fundamental operations are there. We have four fundamental operations. What are they? Additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. Okay children, in additions, if you add any two numbers, you get some total, and the sum is always bigger than the numbers. For example, if you add 5 plus 7, here 5 plus 5 and 7 are addends. If you add 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 is equal to how much ma? 12. So what you get? You get 12, and 12 is always bigger than 5 and obviously 7. So the addends are always smaller than the sum. So the sum is always vice versa bigger than the addends. Okay children, so in additions, if always the total is in increasing order, it is bigger than the addends. Okay children, and what about subtraction? In subtraction, always the difference is smaller than the minuend. Okay children, always the difference is smaller than the minuend. For example, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to how much ma? 6. Here 9 is a minuend and 3 is a subtrahend. And what is the difference children? 6 is the difference. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So 6 is always the difference is smaller than the minuend. So 6 is smaller than the 9 nama. So always the difference is smaller than the minuend. Sometimes it's bigger than the subtrahend, sometimes it's smaller than the subtrahend, but always it is smaller than the difference is smaller than the minuend. In multiplication, when you multiply two numbers, the product is always bigger than the two numbers. For example, 5 sevens are 5 sevens are, that means 5 times 7. What we get, ma? 5 sevens are 35. So obviously 35 is bigger than 5, bigger than 7. So in multiplication, always the product is bigger than the numbers. What about divisions? In divisions, children, the quotient is always smaller than the dividend. Okay, and the remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Okay children, so in addition and multiplication, the result always in increasing order. Okay children, in subtraction and division, the result is always in decreasing order. Okay children, do you understand? Please remember these 2 points, children. Okay, now let's find out the example, children. The first example is, wow, numerals. This is our domain, children. Numerals, yeah. Okay, I will read the first sum. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and dash dash dash. So you have to find out the next 3 terms. So observe this series, children. How are the numbers are arranged, ma? The numbers are arranged in increasing order. I mean ascending order. The numbers are increasing. The values are increasing here. So numbers are arranged in ascending order, also values are increasing here. So what is the first number, ma? 10, and the second number is 15. So 15 is, the second number 15 is 5 more than 10. Do you understand, children? I will make it simple. So how we get 10 plus 5? 15. If you add 5 to the first number, we get the next number 15. Again, if you add 5 to the second number, we get the third number 20. So in a simple manner, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. So what is the rule here? Adding 5 always. So after 30, after which number will come? After 30, which number will come? 30 plus 5, 35. Then now you can tell the answer, I hope so. 35 plus 5, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. See the answers, children. This is the series. We completed the series. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So what is the rule here? Adding 5 each time, starting from 10. Okay children. Now come to the next example. What are these numbers, ma? 100, 98, 96, 94, 92. So how are the values? Values are decreasing. Values are decreasing. So where are the values are decreasing, ma? In which operation? In subtraction and division, the values are decreasing. In addition and multiplication, the values are increasing. So shall we try the subtraction? I will try. So 100, what is the first number? First number is 100 and the second number is 98. So what do we subtract from 100 to get 98? What we subtract? So 100 minus 2, shall we try? 100 minus 2, 98. 98 minus 2, 96. 96 minus 2, 94. 94 minus 2, 92. So what are the next term? What is the next term? 92 minus 2, 90. 90 minus 2, 88. 88 minus 2, 86. These are the answers. So we complete the series, children. 100, 98, 96, 94, 92, 90, 88, 86. So what is the rule here? Subtracting 2 each time, and we starting from 100. Okay children, so I hope do you understand. So what is the how to solve the patterns, ma? Just understand the series. Okay, observe the series and understand the rule, find out the rule and check whether the rule is repeating or not. If it is repeat, you can apply to find the next numbers. So children, this is exercise, ma. Complete these exercises, ma. Okay children. So the first 4 are numerals, ma. The first one is 900, 800, 700, 600, 500. You have to find out next three terms. So it is in increasing. These values are increasing or decreasing, ma? Decreasing. So okay, ma, find out the rule and solve the sum. Like this one, second, third, fourth, ma. And fifth, sixth are, fifth is a combination of an alphabet and a numeral, and sixth one pure alphabets, ma. Seventh and eighth are patterns in pictures, ma. Okay, ma, try to complete this exercise. Okay, children, now hey, look at the picture. We have another beautiful picture. Children, do you get any idea what I am going to teach now? Observe this picture carefully, ma. I will give, okay? Observe, do you observe that one? Any idea? Okay, now I will help you. I will draw a line horizontally. Now observe the picture, children. Observe the above picture and the below picture. Do you find any similarities? I used that word also. So I will make more easier than for you. So I draw another line in vertically. So observe this, children. The above half and the below half, and the left side half and the right side half. Do you find the similarities? And both are similar. The left half and right half are similar. The above half and the below half are similar. Okay, it look like the second half is look like a mirror image of the first half. Isn't it, ma? The above half is look like a identical image of the below half. So what I am going to teach the topic, ma, if I divide any picture into few parts, either 2, either 4, and each and part is a mirror image of the other part, what it's called? The picture is in symmetry. The picture is in symmetry. Okay, children, if we divide the picture into 2 or more parts, and the parts are similar to each part, so the picture is in symmetry. So what is the definition, ma? When 2 or more parts are identical after a flip, slide or turn, the simplest type of symmetry is reflection. So okay, children, do you understand? So if one picture is there, if we divide into 2 parts, the one half is similar as the another half in same size, in shape, in all manners. So the picture is in symmetry. For example, if one half is in a circle shape and another half is in rectangle shape, how it looks? It looks so odd, na? Is it looks beautiful? No, it looks so odd. So when we are saying the picture is symmetry, the first half is same as the second half in all manners, in size, shape, in all manners. Then we said the picture is in symmetry. Here one example is there for you, children. So first one is done for you, ma. You have to do the few other things, ma, other examples, ma. Okay, children. Now what we learnt in today's class, ma? We learnt about patterns and symmetry. What we learn, ma? We learn about patterns and symmetry. So these two will help you understand this one. What is our topic now, ma? In last video, in the previous video, we had a story. Do you remember about a school building was constructing? So in that one, 3 measures are there. They made brick patterns. So these are the picture of those brick patterns, ma. Have a look, children. Okay, these pictures also in your textbook, ma, in page number 3. So please have a look, children. Now I am asking few questions for you. Now after listening these patterns and symmetry, you are capable to give the answers, ma. So what is the question, children? Have you seen such patterns anywhere? Do you ever seen such? If you see any these kind of patterns anywhere, please share with us. Okay, children. The second one is brick patterns. Which brick pattern do you like the most? Which one do you like the most, ma? How many are there here? 11 patterns are there. So which one do you like the most? Choose that one. Which pattern is made in circle? So do you have an idea about circles, na, ma? Observe this one. Which pattern is in circle? And the fourth one, in which pattern can you show mirror halves? So draw a line. So which patterns are in symmetry? So which patterns are in symmetry, ma? Observe that one. If it is there, so draw a line to show which pattern can you show the mirror half. Okay children, and now another activity is there. In last video also I gave two activities for you. I hope that you completed that one. Now what is that activity? You have to draw some new floor patterns, children. Okay children, you have to draw some new floor patterns. I hope you will complete this activity also. Okay children. uh, okay children, today what we learnt, ma? We learnt about patterns and symmetry and brick patterns, ma. We learnt about patterns, symmetry and brick patterns, and we have to do one activity also, children. In last video also I mentioned few page numbers, ma. So today also I mentioned page number 3, and go through these page numbers. Now you are capable, after listening these two videos, now you are capable to complete those pages, ma. So complete it children. Thank you children, have a nice day.